Okay, you guys are gonna start by making a foot-long turkey sandwich. You both are gonna have your gloves on, and you cannot touch the bread. The bread is already pre-cut. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab the deli paper and the bread at the same time. That's when the time starts. 8 slices of turkey across the top, and it has to be diagonal. Don't forget, it's gotta be diagonal. And then we're gonna put 4 pieces of cheese on. We're gonna alternate it. And then we're gonna put 1.5 ounces of lettuce, 6 tomatoes, 6 cucumbers, 6 pickles, 1.25 ounces of onions, 6 olives, and 6 green peppers. And then you are going to put salt, pepper, oil on that, and you are gonna wrap that sandwich up and put 2 napkins in a bag with it, and this all has to be under 60 seconds.
Keep going. You're good. 2 napkins thrown there.